Why? What is this? I'm sorry, please. Auntie me. Hi. My sister. Are you eating? Eating. Hi. You are eating. Can I join the food? I'm very hungry.
Madam, please order for your food. Don't.
It is smoky.
What is this? I'm sorry, please.
Sorry, oh.
Sorry, ma. Sorry. I'm sorry, please. Are you okay?
She's off.
What is this? Sorry. What's happening here? What's all this thing you are doing here? Sorry. Sorry. Auntie me. Are you leaving the food? I'm sorry. Sit down and eat now. God of Jesus. Come and eat your food. Good. Gosh. Good. Hi. Are you going? You don't want to eat again? I should eat the food. Thank you. Auntie, you said make I eat the food. I die hungry. Olivia, food. Auntie, you don't want to eat again? Sorry. Olivia. Hey, madam. This my sister don't know that I'm very hungry. This woman is a good cook. Madam, you need an award though. For this food, you need an award. See how I just ended up eating food. I'm very hungry. I'm so hungry. What did I do? No money to buy food. I will enter this shop. Let me go and see if I can see anybody eating. I'm going to do something to carry the food. I'm going to do something. Let me enter this place. Food.
It is smoky.
Food. Whether good or bad.
Photo.
No, be only yashi. Food. Whether good or bad. Auntie, I better tell me when does she want to come and eat food. May I come?